Hi, thanks for being in a new video. Let me tell you what I liked most and least about the ZTE Axon 60 after testing it, in case you're thinking of buying it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the ZTE Axon 60 without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which in Mexico has been 3,699 pesos. On the screen, you can see the reference price in dollars just to give you an idea. Although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. Let's go through what I like the most. Here in Mexico, they include a smartwatch as a gift. So in a way, we could consider that the price is including the smartwatch, and that would make this combo a bit more attractive option. This device allows you to turn off the microphone for video recording in the settings, and it also allows you to turn face detection on or off. These settings, almost no device includes them, which is why I'm highlighting them. Although it's rare that you want to record with the microphone off, but it's a setting that other devices don't have. And disabling face detection would allow you to have much more stable backlit recording, considering it's an entry-level device. So this second setting I do like a lot. The time-lapse mode goes up to 1800x speed, so you can have a very attractive scene in this fast motion mode. When recording with the front camera, interestingly, it allows you to zoom in. This is a feature you're not going to find even on more expensive devices. Obviously, it doesn't give you a highly detailed image, but the fact that it allows you to zoom in on the front camera is something quite curious. The fingerprint reader will allow you to map one of your fingerprints to open a certain application. So you could gain a certain level of productivity or agility with this. And it's something that's not present on many other devices. It also integrates FM radio. This is one of the advantages that many entry-level devices have, unlike upper mid-range and above devices that generally don't come with FM radio. Although its processor is simple, thanks to the fact that it has 6 GB of RAM, it works well with several open applications. So the fact of integrating 6 GB of RAM is appreciated, because usually at this price you could find other models with 4 GB of RAM. And finally, it has 256 GB of storage, so this can also help you to have a lot of things stored, or your phone does not fill up so fast. But let me tell you what I didn't like. It only has one microphone, and it also records with a very simple quality. Also, it only accepts the SPC codec for Bluetooth sound. That is, even if you have super advanced Bluetooth headsets, you're not really going to enjoy high-resolution audio. The front camera is also quite simple. In backlit scenes, you might distinguish a ghosting effect because it is a long exposure scene, and the device fails to do a good job there. Despite the fact that its sensor is 50 megapixels, in reality, the high-resolution photos don't look that detailed. In addition, it integrates two cameras that disappoint. The macro camera does not give good results. The depth camera does not produce good portrait pictures either. So consider that they only have one camera. Also, while you are recording video, it doesn't allow you to turn the flash on or off. For that, you have to cut your recording. In fact, video recording is very simple in many ways. The focus is constantly lost. It has no stabilization. At night, the focus again struggles too much and a lot of noise is generated. And recording with the front camera also has no stabilization and is also very simple. You are also going to notice that it comes with Android 13 and has no update policy. So it already comes outdated from the factory, so the lifetime is getting shorter. Also, it doesn't have a gyroscope. If for you this was important for some game or something similar, you should be aware of this absence. And finally, ZTE does not have a great ecosystem, so you can't upgrade your experience with some headphones or a watch of the same brand that allows you a more advanced interaction. But if you already bought it, let me know how much it cost you. For now, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can let me know. And I'll see you next time.